Better than before. Shall we now talk about
Yeah,
traitors?
of course.
Okay, honest opinion. I was like, this girl is going to win after you put Raj out. I was 100% sure. Okay, because I'm like, nobody. It was frustrating as a viewer when you're seeing a show.
Yeah.
Like, she's the only. So good because of the confidence that you're like, I am 110% sure it's
Yeah,
Raj.
yeah.
So when you were saying yay, I'm like, yay.
Yeah.
Because I was equally excited.
Yeah.
But it's a moment, यार वहाँ तक पहुँचना भी. Even if you recognize one of the traitors, it's a massive deal.
I recognize two. Hello. I died taking the other one's name. Died. Literally on that table I have died taking his name. The only traitor I couldn't recognize was my girly pop bestie Purav. But other than that, I was, I think, good. Yeah.
Very good,
Yeah.
I must say.
Yeah.
Except for either udhar, and you took and every time an innocent died, you really took it personally. You're like, मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं है, अब मैं मर जाऊँ.
अरे इन्होंने मेरी वीडियोस काट दी है भाई, मेरे साथ तो कोई परेशानी नहीं था.
हाँ.
It's like मुझे घर भेज दो प्लीज, मुझे दिहाड़ी मत देना ये 4 एपिसोड की, मुझे बस घर जाने दो.
I saw that.
घर ही नहीं निकाल रहे हैं, भेज ही नहीं रहे हैं घर. तो I was like,
You had taken it back.
yeah, because after I took out Raj, everybody was like, she's so smart, we have to
Yeah.
listen to her, give. And so everyday people would be like, अब बताओ कौन है? अरे मैं बाबा हूँ क्या भाई, सर्वज्ञानी, मुझे क्या पता कौन है यार.
But they were listening to what you were saying.
Yeah, fully.
They were.
Yeah, but then they got like really irritated after like 4 episodes.
Yeah.
Now she's wrong all the time. So now let's not.
Then Urfika, they started listening to everybody.
Yeah.
That's another topic, isn't it? But I think you all must have moved on now. But I think in the show when you see that scene,
Yeah.
I kept understanding. I didn't understand why she reacted that way also. So
Because some people are just like that. That's who they are. This is not the first time that she said this. She said it on her show and she thought that it's the right thing to say, which is how it made it into the cut.
Yeah.
Urfi Javed did not get it cut out of her show because she truly stands by it that influencers are not at her level. So that's who she is.
that is absolutely not fair.
Yeah.
But okay, we've moved on from that scene
Yeah.
to a very different episodes of Traitor that we are seeing.
Yeah.
I want to understand. I love the video recordings and I love how you were very honest also in your own video and you doing your own thing on your YouTube. Where
Yeah.
you were like, मुझे पता ही था, मैं तो ऐसी चीजें बोल ही रही थी. But I think besides just being entertaining, I do feel at some point you were gauging people and you were being testy with everybody because I think genuinely at a point I don't think you're trusting anybody. Am I right?
No, yeah, of course. It's a game of not trusting people. If you're trusting people, you're doing the wrong thing. But I think the person that I truly, truly trusted, like two people were Jannat and Sufi. Like I knew that they're not traitors and I knew that they're also like my friends.
Yeah, yeah.
And those were the two people that I could like go and be like, lie for me. Tell them I have the shield. Stuff like that.
How much you've bluffed about the shield.
I love
Didn't you?
bluffing.
You were so good. So I remember somebody was saying also saying, Apurva itna sahi se jhoot bolti hai. I'm like, but that's exactly the game. And they were making it very serious. And I'm like, that's the game.
Yeah, I know. I have died on that hill trying to make people understand the game. In the 9th episode, you can... Even in the 8th episode, I was like so done. I was like, मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगी भाई. मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. Karan
Let's talk
Johar
about
comes
that
and they
moment, yeah.
teach you the game, you don't listen. So of course you're not going to listen to me. So let's just skip.
So that outburst in the table where you said, हाँ मैं ही हूँ traitor.
Yeah.
Was that moment where you're like, I give up?
I really wanted to get out in the 9th episode. Because 9th episode is the last episode where you get to give a speech.
Correct.
10th episode, and I was like, if I'm going, I want to like... मुझे छूरा ना थोड़ा और वो करके like I want to say bad things about you all a little more. So I really wanted that speech. I wanted an exit. I wanted to say I have and I will always be an innocent. Like I wanted all of that. So I really like 9th episode. And मुझे पता था 10वें में मैं जीत तो नहीं सकती हूँ. 10वें में मुझे ये भेड़ बकरियों का ग्रुप जलील करके निकालेगा और मुझे जलील होके नहीं जाना है. मुझे जाना है स्पीच देके. And मैंने अपनी स्पीच 4th episode में ही लिख ली थी. सोच लिया था मैंने कि मैं ये सब बोलने वाली हूँ. So I've literally like had 5 days to go back on the pettiness of that speech, and I still thought in that moment that petty is the way to go. Petty is what we should be, and I've given that speech.
The funniest thing is when you were saying it, I think some of them actually हमने बोला था. I'm like, is the sarcasm being missed out, people?
Yeah.
Are you not seeing she's being sarky?
Bro, it was, yeah.
It was intense for we all, but when we were watching it, I laughed really hard.
Yeah, I
I'm
mean,
like-
and like imagine, how they've left it on a cliffhanger. I have had to sit through that cliffhanger, where they're flipping all the votes, and now my deciding vote is Urfi's vote. And before she can even like say I've already moved from my
Yeah.
chair. I'm like, let me just get up. Let me just go. And even while I'm going to Urfi, I'm like attitude कहाँ से मेरे अंदर इतना सारा आता? I just don't get it because अंदर से I was
But you
so
were
scared.
I want to ask you, do you think you're playing Apurva but another version of Apurva? I felt like
Bro, I was dying inside. I don't know how it's looking like this on camera. I'm as shocked as you all are because this is me. I shot
but
this.
you were
bef-
entertaining. I thought it was fun.
But babe, I shot this before I started YouTube. So I was just an influencer on Instagram with
really?
1 million views. Right? I was not doing anything extraordinary with my life. And I have gone there and acted like I own this palace. I am Karan Johar. I've gone and in my VDs, I've bitched
love
about
it.
everybody. Like, for no reason.
I love it though.
Yeah.
I was too much fun. Listen.
Yeah.
Now without Apurva show थोड़ा less entertaining तो हो ही जाएगा.
एक ही
please.
एपिसोड रह गया है यार. अब क्या?
अब तो क्या? But that is true.
But I feel like मुझे थोड़ा जल्दी निकल जाता तो people could understand that I was entertaining.
Yeah, no, I think people still do. You're looking at the comments, you're looking at everything, and
Yeah.
you will know that
Yeah.
you were pretty entertaining.
Yeah,
Whether you like or hate her, you know you're entertained.
Yeah.
अभी वो तो they can't
Yeah,
deny.
yeah.
But the other thing also was that party. Let's come to the party because I'm looking at the reels. You have broken friendships. हाँ, कलेश मतलब सच में कलेश हो गया यार.
किसकी दोस्ती टूट गई?
What are you talking about? Excuse me? What दो bros का अलग? What are you talking?
Bro, listen. I was telling them let me go home. They were not letting me go home. अब पहली बार हमें बोला है कि बियर पी लो, ठीक है, और वाइन रखी है. आई एम नॉट अ वाइन ड्रिंकर,
Sure.
राइट?
Yeah.
आई एम अ शॉर्ट्स पर्सन. So like they have given me wine. I am roaming around with that bottle of wine. I've had the full bottle of wine, thinking it's just wine.
Yeah.
5%, 7% alcohol. What is in this? Fully drunk in the show. On Prime, I'm drunk. Fully not caring about how there are 30 cameras on me at any given
Yeah.
point. I don't know which boy I'm talking about. Ki I have not spoken to him in so long.
Yeah, you are.
I don't even remember which one. I have no idea.
Yeah.
I've spoken about my family. I've spoken about the show. I've done heart to heart. I've cried. I've done all of that. And I have zero memory of it. So I've called Prime every single day that listen. If I've said something too personal, please cut it, yeah. Please cut it. Please, my life relies on it. But उस time पे तो I was like, भाड़ में जाएं. नहीं करना है ये
But
show.
you were dancing like good girl gone bad in the Hindi movies में जो होता
Yeah,
है ना, एक
it's
बोला-
very cocktail
it's
Deepika.
it's very cocktail Deepika, very Kriti in one of the films
Yeah,
that she did.
yeah.
And then you're like, I'm like, but nobody could figure out what you're talking about. You're right.
Yeah, but I was just so happy.
Yeah,
I was
you
like, yes, my old friend, alcohol. So I was really feeling it.
But what has happened is after that Purav was like, मेरा तो दिल जीत लिया है. And अब मेरी दोस्ती. And then there are these cute reels of Purav and Apurva.
Bro, I swear on my mom, I have no idea that he has said anything remotely nice about me. Because as soon
But
as
you
like...
saw it ना अभी तो.
Yeah, now I saw it. But because when we spoke after the finale and I called him, he was like, क्या पागल बनाया मैंने तुझे? So I thought कि वो यही सब बोल रहा है वीडियोस में कि ये देखो साली ट्रेटर हंटर क्या पागल बना रहा हूँ मैं इसको. So I was mentally prepared for that. I was glued to my seat कि now Purv's gonna say something that जिसकी रील कटेंगी कि देखो अपूर्वा डम कहीं की ये सब. And so and I watched this कि ये मेरे बारे में अच्छी बातें बोल रहा है.
बहुत अच्छी बात.
I was shocked.